Hey guys, and welcome back to Kids Coding Playground. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to do 1.11 programs in SuperKarel on CodeHS. So if you're taking the class AP Computer Science Principles, you may have to do these projects. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. All right, so our first project is 1.11.5, take them all. So let's read the assignment. There's a stack of 100 tennis balls in front of Carol. Have Carol move to the stack, take all the tennis balls, and then move one more time. Use for loop. Okay. Okay. So first, what we have to do is we're gonna have to write a start function. So for Carol, it's function start, and then put open and close parentheses. And then remember this is JavaScript, and then we're gonna say move. So basically, this makes it move forward. So it says we have to make it move forward. Take the stack of tennis balls. Okay. So we're going to need a for loop for this to take all the tennis balls. Say for, sorry, var I equals 0. We got to put a semicolon. I less than 100. I plus, close parentheses. And then we can say take ball. And if you look at the docs, you can see take ball. That's a function. It's a command, built-in command for SuperKarel to take the ball. All right, so yeah, we can use that. And then close bracket, yep. And then down here, we put the move right here because it says to move one more time. All right, so let's run the code real quick. So it's going to keep looping through here, keep taking balls, keep taking balls. You can speed it up. And once it gets all the way to 100, it'll say, nice job, you got it, move forward. And it is correct. All right, so we can submit. All right, we're on to our next program, Dizzy Carol. Let's look at the assignment here. So we have to write a program to make Carol spin in place 8 times. This means Carol's going to need to turn left 32 times. You must use a loop for this program. All right. So first, again, we're going to have to make a start function. So I guess a function start and open bracket, curly brackets. And then let's make a for loop. This one's pretty simple. For var equals 0, so var I equals 0, sorry. Equals 0, semicolon, don't forget that. I less than 32 because it says, if you look at the assignment, it says 32 times. So for var I equals 0, I less than 32. For another, we can say I plus plus. And then we can put another open close bracket, say turn left, because we're trying to make it turn. All right, so let's run it. So, all right, so just keep turning. As you can see in the bottom right, the counter I is going up. And when it reaches 32, it will stop. There we go. Nice job, you got it. All right, on to the next one, 1.11.7. Alrighty, so here we have 1.11.7 for loop square. All right, let's look at the assignment. Try to lay down a square of tennis balls using a for loop. Okay, all right, so we have to make it look like that. So let's do a function start, and then open close brackets, and then we can do a for loop. And basically want to repeat 4 times, put one here, move up here, put one here, put a ball there, move there, put a ball there, and then go back to the front. So what we can do is for var I equals 0, I less than 4, I plus plus, and then we're gonna bracket, curly brackets. Let's say put ball. Remember that's a, if you go to docs, it's a built-in command from SuperKarel, put ball. All right, and then let's say move, and then turn left because we want to make it make a square. All right, so let's run it. Boom, 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 boom. There we go. That's how we do it. This one's pretty simple. All right, on to the next one. All right, this is the last one, 1.11.8, lots of hurdles. This one might be a little more challenging, but this one for, let's look at the assignment. So for this one, we want to make it so Carol jumps over each of the hurdles and end up at the other end of the world. So we want to make it end there, 5 hurdles, and use loops. and then write a function called jump hurdle. Okay, so for this one, as you can see that you're evenly spaced, that makes it a lot easier for us. All right, so first let's do function start. Function starts, and then we can make a for loop. Var I equals 0, I less than 5, I plus. All right, and then inside here, in the for loop, we're not going to put anything right now because we have to make the function. As you can see right here, it says we have to make a function called jump hurdle. Okay, so below this, we're going to make a function. Oh, below this one actually. Sorry. We're going to make a function called jump hurdle. So we're going to make function jump hurdle. Okay, because that's what they say. You can name it. Function jump hurdle. As you can see, you want to move Carol 2 steps, make him turn to the left, move up, turn to the right, move, and then turn right, move down, back, and then turn back left again, so we can keep going. So basically, you want to repeat this 5 times. That's why we have this. So inside here, we're going to say move, move, because we have move twice, move, move. And then we want to make him face up, so we're going to turn left. So we're going to look at his perspective. In his perspective, turning left would go back up. So we can say move, move, turn left. And then we want to move again, because after you turn, you want to move up to this one. And then after that, we're going to do turn to the right. So we're going to say turn right. Oh, sorry, turn right. And that is also a built-in command for Carol, turn right. And then we're going to move again. So you're going to move, move, turn left, move right here, up. You're going to end up here. And then from his perspective, you're going to turn right to face forward again. And then we're going to move again, one more step to the right. So we're going to say move. And then after that, we want to turn right. So he faces the bottom, turn right. So he faces down. And then we're going to move one more step. So he ends up right here, and then make him turn left from his perspective to make him face forward again. Turn left. All right, and then next, finally, we just put our function jump hurdle into the for loop. So we can repeat 5 times and jump over the hurdles. So let's run code. So boom, 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 jumps the hurdles. That's 2. 3, I is 3, I is 4, I is 5. There we go. So that's jump hurdles, and that is the last program of 1.11. All right. Well, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and hit the subscribe button if you did enjoy this video or if it helped you in any way in your class. And I'll see you guys in the next video.